Hi, my name is Chris Horton, and today we're at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and I'm on a 2019 Grady-White Freedom dual console. This boat has the Fusion stereo, the Ritchie compass, plenty of seating. This seat moves forward and aft. Raw water washdown. Ski pylon, the Yamaha 200 4-stroke. Some good toe kick on the bottom if you want to fish, or if you just want to hang out at Crab Island, you can do that as well. Plenty of seating up front. Anchor locker. If you have any questions or want to know more about this boat, please call me at 850-974-6032.